How to fix Facebook you can't use this feature right now. So if you're using a Facebook and if you're trying to use some of the feature but it's saying that you can't use this feature right now, then that might be due to various reason. So in order to fix that, watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Facebook, from where you'll be able to explore the various feeds over here. So if any of the feature of Facebook is not working, then the first thing is you need to take your internet connection. For that, you just have to swipe down your notification panel and you have to check whether or not your internet connection is stable or strong. If you are using cellular data, then make sure the network connection is good to work, then only you'll be able to fix that problem. If you are able to fix that problem, then that's okay, but if you are still unable to fix that problem, then another thing is you just have to go back and you have to open up the Google Play Store, and here you just have to tap in the search bar and search for Facebook. And if any updates of Facebook is available, then you just can tap over the update and update this application. Sometimes due to the lack of updates, you won't be available with a certain feature. So if you update your Facebook, you will be able to get the update and you'll be available with the feature and you'll be able to use that. That's the thing. Right now my Facebook is up to date, but if an update is available, here will be the update option. You just can tap over there and update. And after that, you just can go back and you have to open the Facebook and try. You'll be able to fix that. If you are able to fix, then that's okay, but if it's not still working, then you just have to report a problem to Facebook. For that, you have to open up the Facebook and tap over the three bar horizontal line in the right upper corner. Here you have to scroll down to the button and tap over the drop down of settings and support. Just go for report a problem over here. You have to go for continue to report a problem at the button, and here you just have to go for include in report, and you have to select a topic for the problem. You can select any of this over here, and you have to tap on the text box and you have to enter your issue. You can tap and write that I'm unable to use the certain feature on Facebook, so help me to fix that. You just can write like this, and you can tap over the send option at right upper corner, and by doing that your bug will be reported and Facebook will contact you through any media and guide you to fix your problem. That's the thing. So this is how you can do. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have got some queries, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.